In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block nuisance numbers coming through to you on a routing plan using a simple icon. In order to get this done, you need to ensure that you've already got a blacklist created on the portal, and in that blacklist you'll need to have the specific nuisance numbers set up that you want to block. You can learn more about that by watching the How to Create a Priority List video. To do this, select Routing from the top and then click Routing Plans on the left hand side. Then what you'll need to do is select the routing plan you want to work on. In this case we have two. If you haven't already got a routing plan set up, you can learn more about this by going to the Create and Activate an Interactive Call Plan video. We're going to work with this routing plan, so we'll click on it. What we need to do first is create a decision icon. So in order to do that, right click on the icon we want to work with, select Replace and turn it into a decision icon. To do what we need to do, we need to click on the decision icon. That then opens the properties box here at the bottom. In the Mode tab, we need to select black or white list from the drop down. So click there, select black or white list, and then in the Settings tab what we need to do is select the predefined black or white list we want to work with. In this case we're going to pick this one here, which is nuisance numbers. Once that's all done, simply click Apply, and you can see now that the decision icon has changed to the black or white list option. So it's now given us two paths to set up. One, which is if a number calls in and it's not one of those nuisance numbers on that blacklist, then it would go this route. And then two, if it is one of those nuisance numbers on the blacklist, then it would follow this route, which goes through to the yes. So what we'll need to do now is change this icon. So if we right click here, select Replace, and what we'll do with any of those numbers that are on that blacklist is we'll set it up so they don't get answered, they just get hung up on. Then any numbers that call through to us, if we right click on this icon, select Replace and select Destination, click on that, go into the Properties section down here. In the Mode tab we would select External Phone Number, and the Settings tab will type in a number that they would go through to. So this is the number for our contact center, so 01392 448 2211, and then click Apply. So we can see now that we have the decision icon here. Any calls that are on that blacklist, any of the nuisance calls, will go through here and be hung up on. Any calls that are not will get answered by this number. So that's how you block nuisance calls on an interactive number using an icon.